And also in the news tonight is the launching of a peace campaign dubbed as I Am for Peace campaign. The undertaking seeks to mobilize public support for peace through the involvement and engagement of the general public. President Aquino himself led the formal launching of the peace drive in Malacanang. Elena Luna with the details.
Raise our right hand and we say together, I pledge to fulfill the work and responsibilities of a National Peace Ambassador.
National Peace Ambassador. This is how these celebrities will be called as they join President Aquino and the government in the quest for lasting peace.
Nais ko rin bigyang pugay ang ating mga peace ambassadors, ang ating mga artista, musikero at manlalarong Pilipino na nagmula man sa iba't ibang larangan ay buong pagkukusang nagbigay ng suporta para sa malawakang kapayapaan.
18 of the 72 peace ambassadors took their oath before the president. The group is led by Apple the App of the Black Eyed Peas, actress Ann Curtis, and actor Gerald Anderson. The Fashion Design Council of the Philippines, led by J.C. Buendia, and the members of the Philippine ASCALs are also peace ambassadors.
Through my music, definitely, and that's one of the idea of I have as being a peace of ambassador is I think we need visitations and perform in front of these kids or visiting places and just laughter and music.
The best way that I can probably promote the peace process is by being a good example, by using means of what I have, where I stand in my career, may it be social media, on TV, how I behave, even when I'm not in front of the camera. I think that's the best way I can set an example and hopefully reach out to my followers.
Ako kasi lumaki ako sa Jensen sa Mindanao and naranasan ko rin ho yung bomb threats, yung bombing mismo na 5 steps away sa eskwelahan ko narinig namin. So, at nakita ko at naramdaman ko rin ho yung takot, yung fear ng mga tao doon. At 6 years later, nandito ako in a position para makatulong sa iba.
The President also gave thanks to a number of companies for being business partners for peace. These companies carry peace in their advocacy through their products and services. In his speech, President Aquino called on Filipinos to join the government's peace efforts.
Mula 2010 hanggang 2012, patuloy na buwababa ang insidente ng engkwentro sa pagitan ng ating mga sundalo at MILF. Sa katunayan, mula Enero hanggang Agosto ng taong kasalukuyan, 0 encounters pa po tayo at sana manatili po doon. Maliban sa mahigit 600 rebelding sumuko at nakabalik na sa kanilang pamayanan mula nang tahakin natin ang Trinidad, may halos 350 dating rebelde rin tayong nabigyan ng immediate livelihood assistance. Bilang puhunan sa kinabukasan ng kanilang mga anak, may 100 scholarship grants din tayong inihandog para sa kasalukuyang school year. Tuloy-tuloy din ang biyayang handog ng payapa at masaganang pamayanan o PAMANA program na nakapagbukas na ng halos 1,400 bagong bahay sa North Cotabato at Maguindanao. Gayun din ang mahigit na 55,700 na benepisyaryo ng ating community-driven development projects.
The President revealed the Philippines hold the record for being the world's longest-running communist insurgency. This more than 4-decade record will soon end.
Matagal na po ako sa peace advocacy. Malayo na ang aking nilakbay sa buhay para sa kapayapaan. Pero ngayon, sa araw na ito, sa buwan na ito, sa taon na ito, ngayon ko lang masasabi na waring tanaw ko na ang pinakadulo ng biyaheng ito. Hinug na ang proseso. Malapit na nating mapitas ang bunga ng masinsinang negosasyon sa pagitan ng gobyerno at ng MILF.
The launching of the I Am for Peace campaign is part of the observance of the National Peace Consciousness Month. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.